Hello everyone, I will take you through the easiest step of getting your brand mentioned on Reddit. By the way, this is also the platform where most of the people make their buying decisions. So let's just get right into it. First thing you do is to hit find thread over here on the left. Type in whatever keywords your product solve. I'm gonna type in weight loss app. Now this will scrap all the data on the Reddit and give you all the threads that are available related to the keyword. Boom, we have got 49 threads. And these are all real Reddit posts where people are asking something about weight loss app. Now see this one, which is best weight loss app, which has over 155 search traffic over a month. That means 155 people a month are finding this thread through Google. Basically, you are not hunting customers. They are literally already there. So each card shows you upvotes, comments, and monthly search traffic. So now I am going to look for the ones with the actual search traffic. And that's where the real and consistent eyeballs are. Once you find the thread you like, just hit add comment and write your recommendation. Make it sound like a real person, not just a PR post. If I would have to write for a weight loss app, I would write something like this app didn't help me lose weight, but this particular app really helped me lose 4 kgs in a very short period of time. So this is something personal, casual, and genuine. So now coming to the new task section where you have 4 ways to play with it. You can post a comment to an existing thread, reply to a specific comment, create a brand new thread, or do a group task, which I will explain in a second. Each one's a different move depending on what you need. So now coming to the post comment section, which is similar to what we have done in the find thread section. Here you have to paste in the thread URL and frame a reply. And the secret sauce about this tool is that you can also order upvotes to your comment, which will boost your engagement. Also, you can select the timing of the task. Even you can post it immediately or schedule it for later. So now you might be thinking why these upvotes matters. Because on Reddit, nobody scrolls. The top comment gets basically all the views. So if your comment has 12 upvotes and the next one has only 2 upvotes, so your comment is the one which will people trust and read. So this basically helps you manufacture real word of mouth. You can also control the delivery speed of these upvotes. You can drop them immediately or choose a custom time if you want to look little more smarter or natural. Think of it like a real conversation that is happening on Reddit. One account posts like which app should I use for weight loss, and then another account's answer with a very mediocre one, and then another accounts recommend your particular tool and which is backed by upvotes. And this is how you manufacture word of mouth. Alright, now we'll talk about group tasks. Instead of commenting on someone else's thread, you can create the whole post from scratch. You post questions, you post answers, you control the whole narrative. Up to 10 comments from different accounts, all in this one setup. Now talking about reply to a comment is super useful when you want to jump into an existing conversation where someone has already dropped a comment or you have already dropped your comment and you want to add more context to it. Totally work. Just paste the thread URL here, write your reply and schedule it. Reddit orders is basically your mission control. This shows every campaign you have got running, what's scheduled, what's live, what's completed. And also you can filter here by subreddit, date range, or status. And check this out, it shows you the comment rank, so you can see exactly where your comment sits in the thread. If it's rank 1, you are at the top. If it's like on rank 8, you know you need more upvotes to make it rank higher. So full transparency on what's working and what's not. Now let's talk about order upvote section where all the magic happens. You just have to paste in your thread URL. It could be your comment or your full thread. Now just pick how many upvotes you want, choose the delivery speed, and hit submit. So now understand this, every mention of your brand on Reddit gets picked up by AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity. So the more threads you are in is more likely that if someone Googles what is the best weight loss app, your app's gonna come up. Reddit marketing is SEO and AI visibility at the same time, which is insane. So that's it. Go to find thread, search your keyword, find a thread with higher search traffic, drop a comment, order some upvotes, and you are live. That takes only 10 minutes to do.